Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and entering recovery mode. First, charge it above 50% to prevent shutdown during the process. Once done, power off the Vivo. Hold volume up and power together. Release when the Vivo logo appears to reach recovery. Make sure to use the device button combo specific to your model. Some use volume down instead. This step places you in a system-level menu, so you can perform a factory reset or alternate account recovery without needing the locked pattern. Now perform the factory reset to remove the pattern lock. Use the volume keys to move the highlight to wipe data or factory reset and press power to select. Confirm the action when prompted. This clears user data and removes the lock but keeps firmware intact. If the device is linked to a Google account, you will need that account's credentials to complete setup after resetting. This is factory reset protection. Make sure you have those details, or plan to use account recovery through Google before proceeding. Finish by rebooting and walking through Android setup. After the reset, the phone restarts. Follow on-screen prompts to select language, Wi-Fi, and restore options. Sign in with the original Google account tied to the device to bypass FRP and regain full access. If you cannot provide that account, make sure to contact Vivo support or an authorized service center. Attempting unofficial FRP tools risks bricking the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: if recovery won't respond, try different button timing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.